Alright, second to last fan here. This is another Hampton made quick connect. I'm guessing these were put up at the same time. But this one, they added a light on. And it's like the same light that's on the Cheshire. That's over there. But this light is in bronze, obviously. I think it's like a Lowe's light kit or something. Oh, this one has a better pole chain, you know. This fan's probably from like the same time. Oh, there's the UL sticker. I don't know if you'll be able to make that out. And we'll start this up. Like I said in the video of the last one, these are pretty good fans for what they are. The globe is a little loose. I'll tighten that. I think this is I think that might be plastic. I think this one has a bad low speed capacitor. Oh, and here's Cooper. Yeah, that is. I think that's slower than this one was, but I might be going crazy. Almost ran into Cooper. Go to medium. Yeah, it's blowing some air. Like I said, these are pretty good for what they are. This one seems to also have out-of-clock blades. And we'll go to high. This is a similar speed to the other one. I think it might be slightly faster, actually. But the blades are also out-of-clock on this one. I think this one does move a bit more air than the other one, though. Thank you for watching. Bye.